Hello, class. My name is Victor Sandoval, and then I'm going to be talking to you about one thing I found interesting from chapter 6, which is actually one part in this actual chapter, which is talking about a horse. So now the horse is named Clever Hands, and apparently he's really smart. He's able to do math and is able to do calculations in his own head. So the horse was taught by William von Austin, a school math teacher in mathematics. So the teacher would actually teach the horse how to add, subtract, apparently the square roots, which I'll show you in a different video. And it's just pretty impressive, like how can someone teach an animal to learn something that we find that's basic? But it's pretty impressive. So now other scientists would get into this idea, okay, can the horse actually do it? Is it possible? Is it true? So of course the horse would be tested. So now the scientist would test the horse with the teacher in the room and without him in the room to test whether the teacher was actually giving them the answer on the side. But it was proven that the horse was actually doing it on his own. He was learning new things, and it was just pretty impressive for everyone. It was like, okay, this probably one of the smartest horses in the world was actually not as smart as people thought. The horse would count by tapping his foot. So when he would get close to the answer, the professors or the scientists, they would make a certain reaction in their face, and the horse was able to read that, and he would stop when he saw the person's expression, like, oh my god, like he actually got it right. So the horse was actually not smart in math, but smart enough to read people's faces. But I feel like he was probably actually smart in math because when they would tell him add 2 plus 3, things like that, he would start stomping and he would get the right answer. So in this video,
Clever Hands. What's the square root of 64?
so in this video, he asked them what's the square root of 64, and the horse tapped 8 times. I found this video pretty amusing, but it just proves, these things can happen. But yeah, I found this horse to be pretty decent, pretty cool. This was my favorite part of the actual chapter, was just learning about this horse. I mean, it just proves to you that anything can happen. But this horse actually outsmarted everyone else. Probably got some nice treats from it, in my opinion. But yeah, this is just some pictures of the top one being the teachers teaching them times tables, or it looks like times tables, and the bottom picture of people admiring the horse being tested by other scientists. And it's just it's a pretty nice sight to see, group of people together. And I'm hoping that could be us, back in school and things like that, but doesn't look like it. So yeah, that's what I learned from chapter 6. Well, what I found interesting with chapter 6. So that was my take on it. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care, stay home, stay safe. All right, goodbye.